Hey guys, I wanted to show you what I got in my Ipsy bag for the month of January. First, I got these 3 sheet masks from Huxley. I already tried one and I loved it. Also this kimchi mattifying setting spray. And then this Cella dual-sided eyeliner, where one side is this gorgeous blue color and the other is black. It's super pigmented, so I can't wait to try it out. Then I got this gorgeous lip gloss from DewTube. I can't wait to try this color. Then I got this cranberry sugar scrub from Girl Lactic that smells so good. I literally have never tried a scrub that smelled this good. It smells delicious. And I love the cute little bags that they give you. Then I also got the First Aid Beauty Repair Cream, which I've tried before and I loved it. Next, I got this Detail Mascara, which I've never tried, but I love these kinds of ones. They're my favorite. Then we've got this makeup brush from Hip Dot. And then we have this Grace and Stella Hyaluronic Acid Serum. And hyaluronic acid is great for anti-aging. And finally, we have the Professional Primer from Benefit. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!